Yep. I waited 2 years to get a new motor from Toolots for my lathe, and it came broken. Yeah. This is chingaderas and chingazos here, baby. Yeah. Stand by. Hey guys, Kim here. Gonna be a short one this week. I have been real sick for about a week. Kind of a flu, some flu colds, not COVID. They tested, but half of the result I ended up with a inner ear infection, and I'm kind of half twitchy. But let me fill y'all up on the latest from Toolots. So a lot of you guys, if you've watched some of my videos about the lathe, my AMNEC lathe, a couple of years ago I bought a brand new from a company called Toolots. Got here, and within like 4 or 5 months the motor shorted out, it burnt out, and I managed to get a local place to kind of repair it and get it kind of jury rigged together. Worked pretty good, but about 3 or 4 months ago, one time when I shut it off, there was electric snap and a puff of smoke came out of it. It still works, but it feels like it's got less power. So I think that jury rigged motor was giving up the ghost. So for the whole time I've been trying to get a motor, and I've been checking their site over and over, sending emails, and I went through a lot of, these guys are a bunch of jokers, really. They're con men. But it's the absolute only place I can find the motor that fits the lathe, and I'm hoping to do that without, having to just give up and buy a motor and then fabric cobble it onto this lathe. So anyway, a few days ago, I got a notice from them. Motor's in stock. Ordered it. It came in, and my wife, she says they threw a really beat up box out front. This thing is beat to death. And let me tell you, the stickers are actually new stickers on top of the beat up box. So they knew it was destroyed when they shipped it. So first thing I did is I went, called customer service. They answer, "Hi, I just ordered a motor for my lathe that showed up, and there's some damage." Click, hang up on me. 3 or 4 times, different people, same thing happens. As soon as I get to the point where I have a problem, the part you sent me is broken or has an issue, they hang up on me. So that's where I stand right now. And yeah. So then I went back to the site. I thought, in desperation, it pretty much destroyed the caps and broke the plastic cover. The rest of it's probably fine. So I could probably take the other motor, use the covers, make it work, buy some caps. But it was only like $219. So I real quick ordered another motor. I thought maybe the other motor would be better. For this lathe I intend to keep, have a couple spares is not a problem for me. So order it. Okay, it's ready to be shipped. And then a couple days later, which was today, I get an email that, "Oh, I'm sorry, we made a mistake. We're out of stock, so there's no other motors." So that's where I'm at with my friggin', actually a really nice lathe. I mean, I love the way it works. It's just a little problem with the motor, and a little problem with a gang of thieves called Toolots. Thanks for watching.